Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a perfect fried egg for your noodles. This simple method ensures a delicious addition to any ramen or stir-fry. We'll cover everything from heating your pan to achieving that ideal crispy edge and runny yolk. It's a quick and easy way to elevate your noodle dish with minimal effort. Getting your pan and oil just right is crucial for a great fried egg. Use a non-stick pan and add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, like vegetable or canola. Heat the oil over medium-high heat until it shimmers slightly. This ensures the egg cooks quickly and develops those desirable crispy edges without sticking. Once your oil is hot, carefully crack an egg directly into the pan. Let it cook undisturbed for about 1 to 2 minutes. You'll see the edges start to crisp and turn golden brown. For a slightly more cooked yolk, you can gently spoon some hot oil over it. This helps set the top without flipping. Now for the best part, serving. Gently slide your perfectly fried egg directly onto your hot noodles. The warm, runny yolk will beautifully mix with your broth or sauce, adding incredible richness and flavor. A sprinkle of chopped green onions or sesame seeds makes a lovely garnish. Enjoy your elevated and delicious noodle creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.